Hi! For today, we are back again to a quick and easy video tutorial on how to get custom alarm sound. With no further ado, let's start. First, open your clock application. Then once you're in the alarm, tap the plus sign below. Then tap ringtone. There, you can see the system ringtones. But if you want to have a custom alarm sound, tap Select Files just below the custom. Then, you will see all the MP3 files that are on your phone. Select the sound that you want. Once you are done, go back and you can see the MP3 file is in your ringtone and tap Check to save. And that's how you customize your alarm sound. And now we are done with our tutorial. Let us know in the comment section down below if this video helped you. For more video tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching!